Greetings and welcome to the video introduction to Chapter Guide 6 of Chemistry 222, and I'm really glad to have you here. In this section, we're going to look at kinetics, which is the study of time when it comes to chemical reactions. And everyone gets impatient at times. It would be nice to know the things that make a reaction go faster and slower. I'm definitely in that category, by the way. So to figure this out, we'll talk about the rate law. We'll talk about what the rate is. And remember, rate is basically just the speed of a reaction when it comes down to it. But we'll talk about things that influence the rate, make it go faster and slower. We'll talk about half-life, which is also an important concept. Half-life is the time that it takes for half of your sample to react. And there's a lot of really interesting things you can get from that. We'll also explore the mechanism of a reaction, which is how reactants go to products. Like so far, we've shown the reactants, and then there was an arrow, and then there was the products. We're going to look at the arrow, which I think is kind of a cool concept. We'll look at how the reactants go to products in a little bit more detail in this section, which is cool. And then finally, we will also look at nuclear chemistry, the chemistry of the nucleus. We'll talk about how to balance nuclear reactions, the types of reactions you might see. We'll talk about binding energy, which has incredible implications for the stuff we're going to start talking about. It's kind of a fun chapter to end with, as you'll see. Okay, if you have questions on this or anything else, definitely let me know. I am here to help you out. Good luck with your studying. Have a great day.